saved the Halloween decoration and then puked it up.
What's inside? I think I know what this is. If I can get this out. I don't put this down. This is trickier than I thought, especially if it's oh, it is a 4906-9133, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people know what that is. It's a true.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I asked him, hey, aren't you supposed to? Yeah, I think we can be at school. And then there's school not here.
It's a TrueAlert Chime strobe, and 4906-9133. So we pop open the cover so I can see it. I shouldn't have taken the cover off, putting the cover on. It's multi-candela because it's a 4906.
We need meds in our legs.
You can see, yeah, Landon was right. It is an east. The chime is an east chime. It's got volume controls and a, yeah.
You little psychopath.
So I'm gonna wire this up real quick. Now we are gonna test it. You guys ready, everyone?
Ready?
No, I'm not ready
I don't need those. I don't need any of that. Please go put it back. Please go put it back. It's not that loud, I promise.
Anyways, thank you for watching.
Put those back.